Power Tools for Beginners in this episode of TNA. That's right, tools in action. Let's have some fun watching what happens.
Safety first, people.
Always your eye protection and your hand protection. Trust me, you're gonna thank me later. Always remember to unplug your saw first, and then obviously hold the blade lock and guard at the same time so you can remove the nut and the bolt. Once you loosen that bolt, make sure to remove that nut behind it. Then keep it close to you. Obviously, you're going to be needing them to put them back once you put your blade on. Great! Once we remove the bolt and the nut, we're ready to change our blade. Make sure that the arrows on the saw and on the blade point in the same direction. Great, we're ready to insert our new blade. Put that bolt on and put that nut on, and make sure the arrows point in the same direction. Make sure you tighten that bolt, not too tight, but just right. Again, before you use your saw, make sure the blade and the saw guard are pointing in the same direction. Very important. And then make sure you put your wrench away, especially if it's onboard storage. Great, we're ready to go. Let's go out and try out that new blade. Always important, adjust your depth of cut before you actually go out and cut your material. Make sure you clamp that lock back into place. Just as a point of reference, anywhere between 1/4 of an inch to an inch below your material is recommended and should be fine. But then again, you're the one who's actually going to make the cut, so whatever you feel most comfortable with. A good recommendation for beginners, always clamp your material down. Make sure that nothing's going to move that, so that when you're making your cut, everything goes well. This is a little work table that I made from a kitchen cabinet that I recycled from my house in Tijuana. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. That's all, folks.